Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, bikers and dreamers. Welcome back to my channel. This is your host Dennis, and you're watching Moto Vlogs. So today's not just another ride. It's a chapter I've been waiting to write. 400 kilometers, one destination, the world's tallest statue. That's right. We're riding to the Statue of Unity, and trust me, this one's going to be special. Every ride becomes a story, and every road leaves its mark. This journey between me, myself, and Pegasus is something I'll remember long after the roads fade away. So this is the Solis jacket that I'm going to be wearing for this ride. Got this for about 8.5, almost 8,900 if I'm not wrong. Provides level 2 armor. There you go. So quickly get my bike, but rack up the luggage. This bike is a little bit heavy. Those who are a little bit weak, they find it difficult to handle. So this is the Viterra mini claw bag, which I'm going to be using for this ride. जैसे बोलते हैं ना that practice makes a man perfect. प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं किया मैंने. ये एक ही बार मैंने ये लगेज यूज़ किया था महाबलेश्वर में. उसके बाद मैंने ये यूज़ ही नहीं किया था, इसलिए मुझे थोड़ा टाइम लगा. Make sure that you pull this good. Same way I can go on the other side. There's a little bit excess weight on the right hand side because my water bottle is over here. I'm also going to put a cover on this so that it doesn't get dirty on the way. So it has a rain and dust cover. There you go. So this will protect it from all the dust. The bag will remain nice and clean when I reach over there. So this is the Viterra tank bag that I've got. This is the magnetic one. I don't like the fact that the Viterra magnetic tank bag doesn't come with clip-on straps for securing it. Instead, I have to take the strap around the neck of the bike and thread it through a double D ring, which feels quite cumbersome and time consuming, especially when you're in a rush. In comparison, the non magnetic version of the tank bag has clip on straps, which makes securing it much quicker and more convenient. Alright, so the bike is ready, setup is done. Guys, this is going to be my first longest ride ever, 384 kilometers. I am super excited, super duper excited. At the same time, I'm pretty nervous because this is going to be my first ride. Guys, please show your support, like this channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to be notified for all my future videos. If you have any tips or suggestions for my future long rides, please do leave a comment down below. I would really appreciate it to learn from the older riders, older as in who have been riding for quite some time. This bag is looking big, although I'm going for 2 days, so I'm going to be going today. I'll be reaching today is the 18th of April. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so the bike is finally set up. The trip meters have been set to 0. The first stop that I'm going to be taking is Hotel Tashkent, which is 2 hours 22 minutes from here. Alright, let's do this, guys. In the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Lord, thank you for everything you have given me, and please forgive me for my sins. Alright guys, so this is the first toll that I'm going to be passing. This is the Dahisar toll naka. Well, technically the bikers don't have to pay any toll. I will just go through here. So that was the Dahisar toll naka that I just crossed. अभी कुछ दिखाऊंगा नहीं क्योंकि काफ़ी अंधेरा है. जैसे जैसे उजाला होगा थोड़ा, I will show you the view. तो बने रहिए गाइस मेरे साथ वीडियो में. होपफुली आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आएगा. अगर आप भी स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी जाना चाहते हो तो stay tuned to this video because today is the 18th of April. ये सबसे ज़्यादा fresh वीडियो होगा आज के तारीख में. So whatever content you have on YouTube about Statue of Unity, they are probably 1.5, 2 years or more than that old. I'll try to release this video as soon as possible as I edit. Normally क्या होता है, मैं वीडियो तो कैप्चर कर लेता हूँ लेकिन उसको एडिट करने में इतना टाइम लग जाता है बिकॉज यू हैव ऑफिस वर्क एट्सेट्रा, फिर घर का काम, तो एडिट टाइम टू टाइम हो नहीं पाता है. मेरे राइट हैंड साइड पे ठाकुर मॉल गया है दहीसर में, तो मॉर्निंग टाइम में मैं यूजली स्लो ही चलाता हूँ, यूजली 60 के स्पीड पे. द रीज़न इज बिकॉज अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग योर रिफ्लेक्सेस आर नॉट वेरी एक्टिव. You take time to set yourself to the environment. You'll take time to get yourself in tuned with the motorbike. You and your motorbike should become one. So that takes a little bit of time, right? Especially now when the visibility is about 60-70%. It's not completely bright. All the more reason to ride aram se. I'm not in a hurry to reach the destination. The idea is to reach safely. मैं हमेशा अपने वीडियो में यही बोलता हूँ, लोग फास्ट चलाते हैं बाइक डेस्टिनेशन जल्दी पहुँचने के लिए, लेकिन उससे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है कि सेफली पहुँचे, राइट? इतने सारे एक्सीडेंट्स हम देखते हैं रोड पर, आराम से चलाओ, कोई घायल नहीं है। सवेरे सवेरे इतने ट्रकर्स कहाँ से आ जाते हैं यार? So many truckers in the morning, my God. So I just passed the Kashmira Chhatrapati Shivaji statue. The problem with the truckers, they ride so slow and then they'll capture the entire road, which makes you also kind of slow down, you know. Okay. Nevertheless, so these roads have newly been concretized. Few months ago, this road was extremely bad. Now the roads have become much better. All concrete road. Very nice. This is a new hotel that has opened up by Lemon Tree. It's called Fountain City. It's a big hotel and it's got like water park inside with slides and everything. Pretty good. This has become more or less the meeting point for all the bikers if they're going towards Ahura. So a lot of them meet up over here first. Once I was on a ride with the Triumph group and this was the meetup point. So now I can see the skies getting a little bit blue. If you can see up. Here it is a little bit, the weather, the temperature might be somewhere around 28 degrees, 29. It's not hot over here at the moment. आसमान देख रहे हो कैसे एकदम उजाला हो रहा है धीरे धीरे? वो पहाड़ों के पीछे देखो कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. ब्यूटीफुल. जो अर्ली मॉर्निंग के नज़ारे होते हैं ना वो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल होते हैं. ये तो सबको ही पता होगा, लेकिन कोई जल्दी उठेगा नहीं उसे देखने के लिए. सब सोते पड़े रहेंगे. See this donkeys how they are riding on the highway, triple seat, no helmet, insane यार, क्या बोलेगा. और ये ट्रकर्स दूसरे लोग शाह राइड का पूरा मज़ा ही ख़राब कर देते हैं. Comment down below if you go through the same torture every time you ride early morning and you have to come across these truckers who are driving in the middle of the road. देखो ना कैसे एकदम धीरे चला रहा है, वो भी सेंटर ऑफ द रोड में, मिडल ऑफ द रोड. और ये दूसरा भाई साहब राइट हैंड साइड में. नॉनसेंस. आहा मज़ा आ रहा है. है और उसके बाजू में अल दरबार करके कुछ एक रेस्टोरेंट है, बहुत सुंदर दिखता है बाहर से तो. और ये देखो गाइस उजाला होने ही वाला है. इनफैक्ट थोड़ा बहुत हो गया है और समय अभी हो गया है 6:05. So it's been 35 minutes that I'm riding the bike. Time to reach the destination is showing me 1 hour 28 minutes. Not bad यार. तो होटल ताशकंद में पहुंच जाऊंगा लगभग 8 बजे तक, पौने 8 बजे तक. उसके बाद एक क्विक ब्रेक लेंगे, थोड़ा चाय नाश्ता कर लेंगे, उसके बाद और एक डेढ़ घंटा राइड कर लेंगे, उसके बाद और एक ब्रेक लेंगे 10-15 मिनट का, और फिर सीधा निकलेंगे स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी के लिए. सो गाइज प्लीज़ कमेंट बिलो कि मैं अपने कंटेंट को कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकता हूँ. काफ़ी लोग जो पुराने व्लॉगर हैं और काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, काफ़ी ट्रैवल कर चुके हैं, वो मुझे क्विक टिप्स अगर दे सकते हैं कि हाउ कैन आई इम्प्रूव माई मोटो व्लॉगिंग कंटेंट, आई विल रियली अप्रिशिएट इट. क्योंकि हम एक मोटो व्लॉगिंग एक कम्युनिटी है जहाँ पर हम एक दूसरे से सीख सकते हैं. और उजाला हो गया है बॉस. ठीक 6:10 को उजाला हो गया है. अब आएगा ना असली मज़ा. ये सब सारे ट्रकर्स है ना पूरा जर्नी का वाट लगा देते हैं. ना तो ये जल्दी ड्राइव करते हैं, ना तो ये लेफ्ट साइड ड्राइव करते हैं. बीच रास्ते में चलाएंगे, वो भी स्लो चलाएंगे. अभी ये देखो ये भाई साहब को यहाँ पे बहुत एक बड़ा कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है बॉस. सो बिग रोड कमिंग अप ओवर हियर, ब्यूटीफुल बिग हाईवे ब्रिज कमिंग अप ओवर हियर. गाइस, if this is not freedom, then what is? Look at this bloody roads. Look at the view over here. Beautiful. Oh my lord. Unbelievable. Look at that view over there. क्या सुंदर दिख रहे पहाड़. इतना ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है ना मुझे, क्या ही बताऊँ. This divider over here, you have to be careful of this. A lot of accidents take place over here. Weather is also pretty good over here. It's not cold, it's good. It should be somewhere around 28-29 degrees. वो व्यू देखो आगे गाइस, पूरा कोहरा से भरा हुआ. फॉग बोल लो, स्मॉग बोल लो, जो भी बोल लो. तो थोड़ा बहुत मैंने स्पीड इंक्रीज कर लिया. नाउ आई एम राइडिंग एट 80 km/h. 80 is a decent speed to ride, I think so. It's a good cruising speed. उसमें क्या होता है कि आपका गाड़ी का फ्यूल एवरेज भी मेंटेन रहता है, एंड इट्स अ सेफ स्पीड टू राइड एट also. So in case there is any animal or truck or car that comes in front of you, you can immediately control the bike because 80 का speed is manageable. The ABS will definitely work. अगर आप 120-140 के स्पीड पे हो तो भले कितना भी ABS क्यों ना हो, it's very difficult to manage at high speeds. इतना ट्रैफिक क्या लगा है भाई ट्रक्स का, क्या हो गया है? What is the problem? Oh, हमारे सूरज देवता प्रकट हुए हैं सामने। नज़ारा देखिए, देख रहे हो भाई साहब, क्या ब्यूटीफुल नज़ारा है यार। माइंड इज ब्लोइंग, माइंड इज फ्रिकिंग ब्लोइंग। आ हा, अति सुंदर। और ऐसे रोड, वाओ, जस्ट वाओ, लुकिंग लाइक अ वाओ। ओह माय गॉड, फ्रिकिंग हेल, सो ब्यूटीफुल मैन। अब वो जितना ही सुंदर दिख रहा है, मुझे मालूम है ये मेरा परीक्षा लेने वाला है। जैसे ही 9-10 बजेंगे, हो भाई साहब, पसीने मेरे टपकने चालू हो जाएंगे। जितना ही सुंदर दिख रहा है ना, उतना ही डेंजरस होने वाला है ये। तकरीबन 11 बजे के आसपास, 11-12 बजे तो वो भाई साहब अलग लेवल गर्मी होने वाला है। अभी तो फिलहाल ठीक है, 28-27 डिग्रीज पे होगा। तो हमने अभी कर लिए हैं 69 किलोमीटर्स। Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we have finally reached the Charoti Toll Naka. So it's exactly 92 kilometers from my house to Charoti Toll Naka, 92.4 kilometers. And we have officially crossed the Charoti Toll Naka. So this is where all the bikers, they meet up whenever they're going to Ahura. 92 kilometers, and the time right now is 7 o'clock, so that is 1 hour 30 minutes, 1.5 hour, 90 kilometers. It could be faster, but like I said, it's not about reaching fast, it's about reaching safely. So if 100 kilometers I do in roughly about 1 hour 45 minutes, then I'm pretty much on schedule, man. I'm on time. और आगे चल के तो और खींचेंगे रास्ता. So it's saying Daman Strait, Silvassa, Surat. Surat is 176 kilometers from here. सुबह से ना पिया है एक कप चाय, ना खाया है आधा पाव, but till now journey is just wow. Look at that guys, look at that यार, so beautiful, beautiful. वो अच्छा मेला भी लगा यहाँ पे, बढ़िया, very nice. Alright, so we have reached almost, we have done 107 kilometers, and this is the famous Hotel Ahura, but I'm not going to take a stop over here. Alright guys, so I have ridden about 107 kilometers and I've reached Hotel Ahura, but I'm not going to take a stop over here to have my breakfast. I'll probably go to Hotel Tashkent, which is 17 minutes from here. Let's see. So guys, till now the journey is just fantastic. I've enjoyed each and every minute of this ride, guys, and this is how my tail bag is looking right now. Let me remove my helmet. Hey, good morning everyone. What's up people? It's 18th of April. I'm on a ride to the Statue of Unity and I'm at Hotel Ahura right now, and it's going to take me roughly about 6 hours more from here to reach the Statue of Unity. Actually, I'm going to be staying over there and then I'm going to be doing the Statue of Unity tour tomorrow. So if you have any tips, please let me know, message me, DM me. Thank you. Alright guys, so we have crossed Hotel Ahura, and this is the first time that I'm going by myself, solo ride, and I've crossed Hotel Ahura. I usually ride only till Ahura on weekends, on Sundays, but this is the first time that I'm going ahead of Hotel Ahura. So this is going to be a new experience for me, and एक apprehension हमेशा रहता था कि solo ride कर पाएंगे क्या? You know, like when you see the YouTubers, they go on solo rides from Mumbai to Ladakh and all those things, and somewhere down in your heart you feel and you question yourself that will you be able to do this ride? Will you also be able to ride so far like these guys are riding? And उसी चक्कर में ना मैंने कभी like ये सवाल का जवाब नहीं मिल रहा था मुझे कि कर पाऊंगा या नहीं कर पाऊंगा. But this time I somehow gathered courage and I said नहीं बॉस, करना है तो करना है. There's no two ways about it, you know. So एक बार आपने आपका मन ठान लिया, आपने डिसीजन ले लिया, then there is no turning back on that boss. Then you have to do. एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी उसके बाद तो मैं अपनी भी नहीं सुनता. So that is the thing guys, you know, you have to let go of your fears, your apprehensions, your doubts, whatever it is. Just do it man, just do it. और इतना मजा आएगा ना आपको. This is for all the new people or the new riders who are thinking, who just like me, like I was thinking for a very long time कि ये कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं कर पाऊंगा. But देखो, here we are today. 18th of April. I'm on a solo bike ride all the way to the Statue of Unity. This is going to be my first longest ride. Actually, second longest ride. The first one was till Mahabaleshwar. So वो मेरे लिए काफ़ी मेरे लिए वो एक अचीवमेंट था. 264 किलोमीटर मुंबई टू महाबलेश्वर वन वे. उसके बारे में भी वो सोचता था, अरे महाबलेश्वर 6 घंटे का राइड, बाप रे, कर पाऊंगा नहीं कर पाऊंगा, सोचते रहता था. बट somehow I gathered my courage and I did that trip. And trust me boss, I enjoyed so much that it gave me confidence that I can do this ride also to the Statue of Unity. So you just have to let go of your fears. Just do it boss. If you love riding ना, तो just do it. फिर आगे पीछे मत देखो, मजा आएगा, बहुत मजा आएगा. एंड जब आप अपने साथ टाइम स्पेंड करोगे ना, आपको कई सवालों के जवाब मिल जाएंगे आपको, जो कि अब तक नहीं मिल रहे थे. यू विल गेट ऑल दोज आंसर्स. सो देयर इज अ चेक पॉइंट ओवर हियर एंड ही स्कॉट दिस पीपल विदाउट हेलमेट. तो पिछले 2-3 दिन से ना मेरा तबीयत ठीक नहीं था. आई वाज़न्ट फीलिंग वेल. सर्दी, खांसी, जुकाम, थोड़ा बुखार भी था. बुखार तो चला गया, डोलो 650 लिया था तो बुखार तो चला गया, लेकिन ये कमबख्त सर्दी नहीं जा रही है. बट स्टिल आई सेड दैट बॉस, आई वाज इन टू माइंड्स. लाइक माय बॉडी वाज नॉट 100%, बट फॉर्चुनेटली टिल yesterday then I started feeling better, and today morning I woke up at around, I kept an alarm for 3:30 but my wife woke me up at 4 o'clock. She said it's already 4. मैंने बोला oh shit, I'm half an hour late. तो फिर फटाफट उठा, shit shat shaved. पैकिंग तो मैंने पहले ही कर लिया था, तो वो एक अच्छा चीज़ मैंने कर लिया, that I didn't have to struggle when I woke up and start the packing. So my target time to leave the house was at 5 o'clock, but by the time I left it was like 5:30 because I woke up half an hour late. वरना I was on time. But कोई नहीं, nothing is lost. हमें कौन सा war पे जाना है. So if you can see now, the sun is getting brighter. The time right now is 7:30. तो जैसे जैसे 9 बजेगा, it will start getting much more hotter. रोड्स अच्छे हैं, लेकिन कॉन्क्रीटाइज रोड्स है, तो टेंशन नहीं, आराम से you can ride. So as I was mentioning that this is the first time that I will be going to the Statue of Unity. There are a lot of videos that I've seen on the Statue of Unity, what to do, what all sightseeings to go for. So the zoo one definitely I want to do, the jungle safari. Then of course I have taken the express entry to the Statue of Unity, which means that I can go to the chest level height and have an entire view from there. The express entry also gives me VIP pass access, which means that I don't have to stand in the regular line. तो जो मैं videos देख रहे थे ना, तो जो मैं वीडियोस देख रहा था कि उसमें ना रेगुलर लाइन में बहुत लंबा लाइन होता है. सो इन ऑर्डर टू सेव टाइम एंड अवॉइड स्टैंडिंग इन दैट लाइन फॉर लॉन्ग आवर्स, आई टुक द एक्सप्रेस एंट्री टिकट विच इज़ फॉर 1030 रुपीज़. आई मीन अगर मेरा समय बच रहा है तो वर्थ इट है यार, व्हाई नॉट. आई एम ऑल्सो लुकिंग टू डू द हेलीकॉप्टर राइड. यार हेलीकॉप्टर राइड अगर मिलेगा ना मुझे, मज़ा आ जाएगा यार. ज़िंदगी में एक टाइम तो हेलीकॉप्टर पे बैठना है. सी हाउ दिस ट्रकर्स आर ड्राइविंग द राइट इन द मिडल. So just gonna have a quick breakfast over here. I don't know if it's open. I think it's open. Let's see. This thing I don't like over here because, there should be some buckle strap for this. The magnetic is pretty good, but they did not give any buckle strap. They should have given buckles for this. That is something that I didn't like about this. Otherwise, the bag is good. Alright, let's quickly sit and have our meal. एक जन यहाँ पर. आपके पास घी मसाला डोसा है, बटर मसाला डोसा, एक बटर मसाला और एक चाय का. एक चाय. Alright guys, the time right now is 7:53. Ordered for a butter masala dosa and a cup of chai. So I'm just going to quickly set my next destination. So let's put the place where I'm staying as my next destination. Showing me 5 hours from here. Let's keep the ride going on. So it's 7:53. The time to reach my hotel is showing another 5 hours. So the estimated time of arrival is 12:53. So close to around 1 o'clock. What I feel is that I'm going to probably reach somewhere between 1:30 to 2. Because I'm going to be taking another stop after, say, another 2 hours. I'll take another stop. I don't know why they put the sambar and the chutney on top, but looks good. When I taste the butter, means the dosa is good. Sometimes they'll write butter masala dosa, but there's no butter in the dosa, and I don't enjoy it. But this one is good. Nice, very nice, lovely dosa. So when I first came to this place, I read this as Hotel Blind Gate. Alright, so finally got the pit stop over here. It's been almost half an hour that I spent over here, there is a lot of time I spent over here. My next pit stop will be much shorter. By the way, the Milton flask that I had bought, okay, is working wonderfully because there is still ice accumulated in that. The flask is doing a brilliant job. So is my Viterra magnetic tank bag, is doing a fantastic job. And let's see how's the viewing angle of this. Okay, looks pretty okay. Damn, forgot to put the key inside the bike. It always happens. You end up wearing a glove and then you remember that you haven't removed your key, you haven't put in your mobile phone. So I've directly put the name of the resort, or no, it's not a resort, it's like a homestay that I'm going, showing 5 hours exactly from here, from this place. I've done 133 kilometers so far. The time is 8:30, so that's 3 hours basically. 130 kilometers. All right, let's rock and roll. Okay, so we have left the hotel. It was Hotel Billard Gate. There's a nice temple on my left-hand side over here. This looks beautiful. So I'm charged up. My stomach is full. Let's do this. 5 hours from here. Total distance covered 1 hour 33 kilometers so far. Another 245 kilometers to go. तो जैसे कि मैं पहले बता रहा था, that you will always have that fear, but that fear, utilize that fear in the right way, आपको उस डर को जीतना है, I don't want to give too much of ज्ञान, but trust me guys, I was in this dilemma if I'll be able to do this ride or not. और मैं यही सोचता था, जाऊँ नहीं जाऊँ, कर पाऊँगा नहीं कर पाऊँगा, अगर कुछ हो गया तो. लेकिन उससे क्या होता है कि आपके फैसले कमज़ोर हो जाते हैं. There is a dialogue in खुदा गवा, I still remember that Amitabh Bachchan says, इतना मत सोच कि सोच गहरी हो जाए, तो फैसले कमज़ोर हो जाते हैं. So that is the point, that we overthink, and because of which we are not able to do what we want to do. One life, just one life guys. एक ही ज़िंदगी है. So do what you want to do. और एक मज़े की चीज़ बताता हूँ आप लोग को. A lot of times I think that अभी मैं इतना सोलो राइड कर रहा हूँ, इतने जगह पे जा रहा हूँ. So let me ask my wife, what does she think about it? और उसने मुझे ना बहुत अच्छा एक जवाब दिया मुझे. मैंने उसको पूछा कि what do you think? Do you mind that I go on a solo ride on the bike? Do you mind कि मैं तुझे साथ में नहीं लेके जा रहा हूँ? तो you know what she said? She said that you have sacrificed a lot for us. ये सब तो तुझे पहले भी करना था, but because of me and because of our daughter, you did not do all these things. So that is why I don't want to stop you right now, because I love it when I see you enjoying, and that seriously touched my heart, that I'm so grateful to her that she has that kind of a thought. उसने कभी भी मुझे बोला नहीं कि don't go over here, don't go over there. अकेले, हाँ, she has always want my safety. She has also told me to be safe when you're riding, don't ride fast, etc. etc. But उसने कभी मुझे मना नहीं किया, to which I'm really grateful. And this is another toll. I don't know if I have to pay toll over here or not. I don't have to pay, I think so. Cool, damn cool. What is the name of this toll? Nothing mentioned over here. अरे ये कार तो मेरे साथ बॉम्बे से आ रही है, ये टाटा पंच. इसने भी शायद कहीं ना कहीं ब्रेक लिया होगा ये बंदे ने. Beautiful roads, lovely roads, nice, एक number. If you have such kind of roads, you can cover up distance very fast. Don't need to worry. Plus your body does not ache so much. When you go through those rough patches and the off-roads, then your body really starts to pain. So I've connected my charger so my battery doesn't die out for my mobile phone, because I've kept the GPS on. And right in front of me there's a D-Mart over here, man. It's quite big. Let's go. Oh Lord, have mercy on me, Jesus Christ, Mother Mary, help me. So this donkey riding on the opposite side of the road. Look at the mangoes over here, guys. It's April 18th and mango season is over here. I'm going to be feasting on Amras, bloody hell. Mango season is here and I'm going to be feasting on the Amras and Puri. So guys, a lot of people are saying that अरे इतना गर्म है, क्या जाएगा बाइक पे, मर जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा. अरे छोड़ो, People who love riding bikes don't see all this. Garmi ho, आंधी हो, तूफान हो, बारिश हो, ठंडी हो, bikers will just go. If they have to go, they will go. वैसे इतना बुरा नहीं है अभी. The time right now is around 9:15 and the temperature would be somewhere around 30 degrees. And since I'm on the bike, I'm still not feeling the heat, because the wind is hitting me. So 133 पे मैंने एक ब्रेक लिया था. Now the next break I will take at around about like 275 kilometers once I complete 275 kilometers. Alright, so this is another toll plaza that I have reached now, and what is the name of this toll plaza? It's called Boryak Toll Plaza. Boryak. Am I pronouncing it right? Boryak. मुझे कहीं रोक के ना पानी पीना है यार, लेकिन धूप इतना है कि मैं बाइक रोक नहीं पा रहा हूँ. So now it is showing Bardoli 30, Navsari 5.5, Ahmedabad 286 kilometers. ठीक है. Fueling is done. Pegasus's stomach is full. Ready. So I got roughly around 9 liters of fuel for $890. Now another toll plaza. Okay, let me try and take it from the left hand side so that I can avoid all the traffic if possible. Traffic jam. Oh yes, hold on, Sim. Donkey. गजब गर्मी हो रहा है, गजब. बट मज़ा आ रहा है. तुम हो अकेले हम भी अकेले, मज़ा आ रहा है कसम से. As long as you're on a good speed, like about 80 to 100, then you don't feel hot. The moment you come down to around 20-30 kilometers per hour, then you feel the heat. Otherwise, it's not that bad, honestly. The time right now is around 10:40. So I'd taken a water break earlier for about 10 minutes. Just did some stretching, let the blood flow in my body. So I remember that I had left from that hotel Billard Gate at around 8:30, and the time right now is 10:36. So that's roughly 2 hours that I've been riding. And the time to reach the hotel is showing 2 hours 30 minutes. Look at this roads, man. Look at this. Woohoo! Yeehaw! Oh god. Damn, man. Woohoo! I don't know if you can feel my excitement. I want to drink a nice chilled soda right now. Chilled soda. Although I have a bottle, the flask, which has iced water. The ice are not even melted till now. I left house at around 5 o'clock. It's 10:40 right now, but ice is not melted, which means that the bottle, the flask, is of excellent quality. So I would recommend in those who are looking for a flask that keeps cold water cold and iced water iced for a long duration of time, then I would recommend you this Milton flask. Costed me only $900 on Amazon. Whoa, son of a bandy. कितने स्पीड में आया रे साला. Okay guys, I've come to this restaurant called Gallop's Food Plaza. It's not a restaurant actually, it's a food plaza. I'm right now at a place called Kim, which is a little bit ahead of Surat. And Kevadia is about 150 kilometers from here. This gentleman over here, he's also from Ekta Nagar Singh. And I asked him if Amras is going to be available. So he said yes, Amras is going to be there. We can eat as much as you want. Just taking a break because I wanted to drink some chilled soda over here. The name of this place is Gallop's Food Plaza. ये नया बना है क्या? 1.5 साल हो गया इसको. कहाँ पे वो साइड में लगा? और आगे है. So guys, the time right now is 11 o'clock exactly. Been wanting to have a chilled soda for so long. Bloody hot. अभी temperature कितना रहेगा? 35? ज़्यादा होगा. So let's see what is the temperature right now. He's just checking the temperature. I'll also check what's the temperature like. 35 है. यहाँ पे मेरे को ये नंदीगाम है. नंदीगाम ये जगह का नाम क्या है? नंदी इधर पे हाँ 33 दिखा रहा है. So it's 33 degrees right now. According to this gentleman, he's saying it is 35 degrees. With the sun blazing at 35 degrees, I had to take a pit stop. 2 more hours to the Statue of Unity, but right now this moment was about survival. The sting of the carbonation, the shock of the cold against the heat, it woke me up better than any energy drink. I hope I've done everything. I don't want to remove my gloves again. I got a good parking spot for my bike. I'd kept it in the shade for some time. Gave it a rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. I came over here exactly 11 o'clock. So I give it a 15-minute rest. We are good to go. Alrighty then. In the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Let's go. All set. The time to reach the destination is 2 hours and 19 minutes. And the time right now is 11:15. As I had predicted earlier that I would be reaching somewhere between 1:30 and 2, I think that is going to come true. It was a good 15-minute halt. I drank a half a liter of just plain soda. When you're thirsty na guys, trust me, just have a chilled soda. Nothing else, no nimbu pani, nothing. Just have chilled soda. Oh my god. And then tell me, how did you find it? Itna sukoon milta na usse boss. Chilled soda, no thumbs up, no coke, nothing, no water. Chilled soda piyo. Oh bhai साहब अलग ही मजा आएगा आपको. गजब गजब गजब. I've learned this word गजब and I keep saying it at home also. And my wife says that, what is this new word that you have learned, gajab? I said, I think I've been watching too much of YouTube. Because every video that you'll watch, I watch these YouTubers, and this is one word that is very frequently used, gajab. Maza aa gaya yaar. That was a well-deserved break. 15-minute halt, but ekdam sukoon mila. So now that this riding jacket that I'm wearing has mesh throughout, whatever sweat that is there on my body is giving me that cooling effect. What is wrong with these guys? Come on, man. Na wo log aage ja rahe hain, na wo log kisi ko aage jaane de rahe. I'm just scraping, I don't know why. Oh my god, so many of them. It happens only in India. We are on the national highway and there's a herd of cattle on the road. No safety whatsoever. No safety at all. यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट कुछ नहीं बोलेगा सेफ्टी के मामले में. Wow. I loved his horn. तुम हो अकेले हम भी अकेले मजा आ रहा है कसम से. This driver is driving very rashly. It's better to stay away from him. There's one huge container going on, man. Rider of the unknown. See this guy. Donkey. Oh guys, I can't believe it. मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है boss. Another 1 hour 19 minutes में I'll reach my destination. Guys, 1 hour 19 minutes. What a ride this has been, man. Epic. मज़ा आ गया यार. गजब मज़ा आ गया. काश अगर वेदर थोड़ा और कूल होता तो और भी बेहतरीन होता. बट विंटर में एक राइड करेंगे, ज़रूर करेंगे. एक गोवा वाला राइड करेंगे विंटर में. ओहो हो, मज़ा आ जाएगा. आई कांट बिलीव माई सेल्फ. आई हैव टू पिंच माई सेल्फ टू फील दैट आई एम नॉट ड्रीमिंग. लगभग मैंने 330 किलोमीटर अभी तक चला लिए. 331 किलोमीटर्स टू बी प्रिसाइज. एक बार आप बाइक पे बैठ जाते हो ना तो आपको अंदाज़ा नहीं होता कि आप कैसे किलोमीटर्स को खा जाते हो यार. स्पेशली ये बाइक, आई वुड रियली रिकमेंड दिस बाइक टू एनीवन यार. एनीवन. दिस बाइक इज अ सुपर डुपर बाइक, मॉन्स्टर बाइक है. 120 पे भी क्रूज कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. गाड़ी एकदम स्टेबल, रॉक सॉलिड, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. सस्पेंशन इसके बेहतरीन है. वेरी गुड सस्पेंशंस. जैसे मैंने एक वायटेरा का 70 लीटर टेल बैग डाला है, बस काफ़ी है. अब पता नहीं मैं कौन से गाँव आ गया हूँ, कौन से गाँव से गुजर रहा हूँ. नो आइडिया. बट इट्स शोइंग मी 1 hour 9 minutes to reach Ekta Nagar. Then tomorrow I will go to Statue of Unity. Look at the roads. Beautiful. Speed breaker both spoils foot breaker. Just 1 hour more. Bhagao. Time is 12 o'clock. Exact 1 o'clock लगभग I will reach, man. Good timing. मेरा prediction थोड़ा wrong हो गया. Going to reach half an hour early. कौन सा तो मंदिर है यहाँ पे. अब फिर मुझे एक चिल्ड सोडा पीने का मन कर रहा है. So the place that I'm staying is somewhere over here. Okay, so this is the place that I'm going to be staying. I think Vasant Vihar. Hi, एक बुकिंग है आज डेनिस के नाम पे. 1 person. हाँ, ID. एक मिनट. So this is the Statue of Unity. That's over here. Okay, nice. So I'm going to take this map later on. These are all the activities that you can do. The time is 4:20 p.m. and I can tell you that it's freaking hot. That dry heat. This is the property that I'm staying at. The name of the property is Vasant Vihar. There are some other bikers also who had come. I think they have already left and they have gone for the tour. Let's quickly go to the pool side and show you the pool side. It's damn hot. I think I might take a dip in the pool. Pool looks pretty cool. I'll wait for it to kind of sun to set a little bit. In the meantime, I'll have a cup of chai. Alright guys, so I finally reached the hotel. I reached about like 1 p.m. Overall the ride was amazing. The bike performed brilliantly. There was no hiccups at all, touch wood. Took 3 breaks overall. I took 1 break at Hotel Billard Gate. That was for about 30-40 minutes. So that was a long break. And then after that I took a break below a bridge. Just quickly had some water, washed my face with cold water. So the Milton flask that I bought came in handy because I had put it in the deep freezer before I left home and it was completely with ice. So when I washed my face, I felt really nice. And then I took another break at about 11 o'clock somewhere near Kim. The name of that place, the area was called Kim. It was Gallup's Food Plaza. That was the food plaza where I took a stop. And there I had a chilled soda. So whenever you're riding guys, if you are feeling thirsty now, just have a chilled soda. Do not have any cold drink like Thumbs Up, Coke, Pepsi and all. Just have a chilled soda and you will see the relief that you get after you have a chilled soda. No nimbu pani, no ganne ka juice. Just have a chilled soda and then comment below and let me know what your experience was. For me, chilled soda always works. I love, just to have plain soda. Check-in and already done. I did not sleep as such and I'm not physically tired as such. So I just rested for some time. I lied down, I closed my eyes, but I did not actually sleep. For lunch, I had some lovely aloo bhindi with aloo paratha. Right now, guys, the time is 4:30. It is hot. So I don't know what should I do. If I should go for a swim or I should just take the bike and go outside. But it's hot, so I don't feel like going outside right now. Tomorrow's day is going to be fantastic. Tomorrow, I'm planning to reach the Statue of Unity by between 7:30 and 8, so that I am one of the first people to enter the Statue of Unity. Although I have taken the express ticket, I would not have to wait in the line as such. Yeah, I'm excited about tomorrow's day. The temperature is 37 degrees and it says over here feels like 40. I don't know if you can see it. Air quality is good. Wind is about 16 kilometers per hour. Humidity is 33. And in this heat, I'm having some nice hot chai. Insane. Ah, very nice tea. Alright guys, so the time right now is somewhere around 6:30 in the evening and now the temperature is kind of come down a little bit. So it's not like hot, but I can still feel this mild heat, but it's not like hot. And from here the view is looking really beautiful. I can see the mountains out there. There's the aarti going on right now. Somewhere around 6:30 they have the aarti that happens. So I can hear the bhajan and the sound. The pool is looking very tempting. Take a look at the pool.